Hi, I'm Shanna. I am the Director of Digital Content for Whole30, and my butcher box just got delivered. I thought it would be fun to make an unboxing video to show you what came in my delivery this month. I have been using ButcherBox for maybe the last year and a half to 2 years, and the reason that I like it is because they ship the highest quality meat directly to your door, which is really convenient for me. I like that I don't have to make an extra trip to a specialty grocery store to get the kind of meat that meets my standards. ButcherBox takes care to only use the highest quality meat. So for example, every month I add in a few of these boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I know that they are 100% organic, free-range chicken. I also love that all of their ground beef is the grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. The taste is fantastic, the best that you'll find anywhere. And they have cool options like adding something like these pre-made ground beef patties to your box. This is just ground beef, nothing else, and it makes for really quick and easy Whole30 weeknight dinners. Everything comes frozen on dry ice and insulated, so it's ready to go right into your freezer, or you can do what I do and decide on a few items to thaw for your weekly meal prep. You can also get really high quality pork from ButcherBox. So for example, here are the baby back ribs, which are really popular in my household, and all of their pork products are heritage pork, raised the way pork used to be raised, and full of delicious flavor. These baby back ribs are really fantastic. You can choose a box that suits your schedule and your taste. So you can swap items in and out monthly depending on what you need that month, and you can set your delivery to a time of month that's going to be most convenient for you. They also have really awesome add-on items, like you can add Whole30 approved bacon into your box, which is great because who doesn't want to have a pound of bacon on hand at any given time? I also love their pork sausage, which is a Whole30 compliant breakfast sausage blend that makes for easy and delicious Whole30 breakfasts in the morning and makes my mornings just a little bit smoother. They have great things like steaks, which this will be awesome in some kind of stir fry or with a baked potato. Often they have roasts, other cuts of chicken, thighs, ground pork. They really have an incredible range of products, and it's especially nice for somebody who lives in a community where this kind of high quality meat isn't readily available. Maybe there's not a butcher nearby you, or you don't have specialty grocery stores that offer these kinds of items. ButcherBox is great because it gets delivered right to your door. So that's my box for the month. I hope you enjoyed the video.